we've got double the snack sack, double the fun. If you want to see what we got for the past 2 months that we haven't opened up yet, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
And we have 2 months worth of SnackSack. Do you need some help with that?
I can do it.
That's, no. Nope. 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 I don't know which is which. I guess I could try to look at the
Expiration date?
No, the label on top. Now, I did get this for 3 months, and I did cancel this just because for the summertime, like usually these are great for her lunch. For the summertime, you know, she doesn't need little snacks like this, so, and she's not even going to be here for half the summer. There is your sneak peek. You're only seeing 2 things on top, so Chloe can get with that. And show us what we got.
Lesser Evil. Oh my god, I love this stuff. Sugar cookie flavor.
Oh my goodness, I've never tried that flavor.
There's Hippies and they're barbecue.
Bohemian barbecue. These are made from chickpea. They're really good.
Sour cream and onion puffs. Air popped ancient grain chips. Pink Himalayan salt. Original canna corn popcorn. Right? And some good stuff. Oh my god, I love these. The chili lime crunchers roasted chickpeas. I love that. Oh, and 2 packs of the Twirlies date niblets. There's matcha dark chocolate and sea salt dark chocolate. They're chocolate covered diced dates. Whoppers vanilla. I like to have these kind of snacks as like tea. Oh my god.
Wafers. I thought you said Whoppers. Look, there's Whoppers in there.
No, sorry, I meant to say wafers.
Ooh,
oh, there's some more stuff in there. Why'd you put that in there?
I thought that was it.
No, there's an almond white chocolate cookie.
Oh, that sounds good.
A kind bar.
What kind bar?
Haha.
Oh no, I was just asking what kind.
Yeah.
This is the
Get
salted caramel drizzled. Yeah.
Get it? And then this is like, I think it's like one of those things where it's like, yeah, like espresso coffee bite. I mean, chocolate bite.
Mm-hmm.
We got
This is
such a
in
haul.
dark chocolate.
Okay, what you want to try first?
I want to try the sugar cookie.
Me too.
All right, let's put the rest of this away. We're going to try the sugar cookie. You want to take a sniff? Take a sniff.
Oh.
Oh, it does smell good, but
It doesn't really have.
a little bit of sweetness
Yeah.
at the end. Not as sweet as I thought it would be.
Still good though.
Cool, bud.
Titties or planet. These lentil chips?
Yeah.
I've never had them.
Yeah, we have. We have them in,
Oh,
in Mediterranean flavor.
Oh yeah, I never.
So
thought they
these
were
are
lentil.
by Kibo, and these are their lentil chips.
Ooh, ranch chips.
These are by Siete, and these are grain-free, dairy-free ranch
Oh my god.
chips.
Look what I found. Birthday cake bites.
Oh, plant-based and deliciously soft baked.
Oh my god.
Our rule
Blood
breaker.
orange dark chocolate dates. Blueberry pomegranate granola cookie bar. Kind bar oats and honey. Zzz's. Oh my god, I love when they get like dried cranberries and raisins. I hate them normally, but I love when they add like strawberry or watermelon flavor. Watermelon and dried cranberries are the best. Like you ever dry stuff?
Those are sour too.
Mm-hmm. Simple almond and matcha and chia. Rule breaker chocolate blondie. And ZZ sour raisins, rock and blue raspberry. Oh my god, there's so many amazing choices.
There are. There are a lot of savory choices. I don't like ranch, so that's right off the...
Should we just do one more sweet?
I guess so, yeah.
What do you want to do?
Why don't we do this right here?
Okay.
The chocolate chunk rule breaker.
Okay.
Chocolate chunk brownie.
Can't wait to try the taste though. I thought you were going to go with the cake bites. For sure, but...
I was going to, but since this is just one thing...
Yeah, it would be a lot easier to eat. Oh my god, that looks amazing. Vegan stuff is always so much fluffier, I think. I'm trying to wonder ramen.
Mm-hmm.
Tastes like protein-like.
Mm-hmm.
You like it?
Not really.
Blech.
Okay, well that was underwhelming. Hopefully
I
the
really
other
don't
ones
like. That's disgusting.
Hopefully the other ones are better.
It tastes like protein powder, and not in a good way.
All
Oh, it
right.
tastes like chemicals. Oh, the aftertaste. That's nasty, Mom.
Shall we see if these are any better so we know to throw them out now?
Sure.
All right, we're going to see if the birthday cake bites are any better.
Like vegan stuff, no hate. It can be good. Protein stuff, no hate. It can be good. But something about that just tastes like chemicals. That is a rule breaker in the fact that it breaks the rules of physics and how it can taste so awful.
I don't have much hope for these either. They don't smell so good.
Me neither. Oh, they smell sweet. Oh, the other ones.
What's better?
Yeah, that's pretty
What is
good.
better?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
I told you, if it smells sweet, it's usually better.
Okay, those are our two snack sacks. So tell us your thoughts. What would you be most excited about in these two
I
boxes?
cannot wait to try those dates.
Dates with her. All right. Thank you so much. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully we'll see you soon.